If you're a Miami homeowner looking to elevate your property's comfort, safety, and value, one upgrade that offers immediate and lasting benefits is installing a new door. With the city's unique mix of tropical weather, vibrant architecture, and security concerns, the right door can make a world of difference. Here are the top benefits of installing a new door in your Miami home, and why now might be the perfect time to make the change. Boosts energy efficiency. Miami's year-round heat and humidity can send your utility bills skyrocketing if your home isn't properly sealed. Older doors often warp, crack, or develop gaps that let cooled air escape and allow humid air to creep in. Modern doors are built with energy efficiency in mind. Whether it's steel, fiberglass, or insulated wood, new doors come with enhanced weather stripping, tighter seals, and insulation cores that prevent energy leaks. This helps maintain a consistent indoor temperature and reduces the load on your HVAC system, saving you money over time. Enhances home security. In a bustling metropolitan area like Miami, security is a top concern for homeowners. Old or weakened doors can become easy targets for intruders. New entry doors, especially those constructed with solid core materials like reinforced steel or fiberglass, offer enhanced protection against forced entry. Many come equipped with advanced locking systems, including smart locks, multi-point locking mechanisms, and impact-resistant glass panels, ideal for safeguarding your loved ones and valuables. Improves curb appeal. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. An outdated or worn-out door can detract from your home's overall aesthetic, while a new, stylish door can dramatically elevate it. Whether you're drawn to a modern look with sleek lines and glass inserts or prefer a classic wooden finish that complements Miami's coastal architecture, the right door can enhance the beauty and character of your home. It's also one of the fastest ways to make a strong impression on visitors or potential buyers. Increases property value. Home improvements that boost functionality and style often translate into higher resale value, and new doors are no exception. A replacement entry door consistently ranks as one of the top home improvement projects for return on investment. For Miami homeowners, where style and function both carry weight in the real estate market, a new door signals a well-maintained property. Buyers often view it as a sign that the home has been updated and cared for, which can influence their purchasing decision and increase the home's marketability. Offers hurricane protection. Living in a hurricane-prone region like Miami means your home must be prepared for extreme weather. Older doors, especially those without impact resistance, are vulnerable to wind damage and flying debris. Many modern doors available in South Florida are specifically engineered to meet hurricane and impact codes. These doors are reinforced to resist high wind loads and tested to withstand projectile impacts, helping to keep your home and family safer during storms. Reduces noise pollution. If you live near a busy road, beach strip, or downtown hub, outside noise can be a constant nuisance. A new door with better seals and thicker materials can help block out much of that noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. This is especially beneficial for homeowners in urban areas of Miami, where ambient noise can interfere with work, sleep, or relaxation. Enjoying a calm interior space is a priceless comfort you'll appreciate every day. Final thoughts. Installing a new door in your Miami home is more than a cosmetic upgrade. It's a smart investment in your comfort, safety, and property value. From battling the heat to bracing for hurricanes, a high-quality door provides protection while enhancing your home's aesthetic and efficiency. Whether you're planning to sell your home or simply want to enjoy it more, a new door is a transformation you'll feel every time you walk through it.